Well, as the temperatures drop outside, fire officials say the number of space heater fires increases. Portland Fire and Rescue has already responded to several fires tied to space heaters this year. Libby Dowsett has more.
Portland Fire and Rescue say they've responded to at least 3 heater-related fires this year alone, and that includes a fire, they say, that led to the death of a Northeast Portland woman. They say the risks that come with winter heating, especially when residents rely more heavily on portable heaters to stay warm, are growing. They say the biggest risk comes when people put combustible items in front of a heater. Fire crews say furniture, bedding, and clothing are all items that can get too close and cause a fire. The National Fire Protection Association recommends keeping heaters at least 3 feet away from flammable materials. Make sure it has an auto shutoff in case it tips, and make sure it's off when you leave the room. Investigators say extension cords connected to space heaters can also be a problem. They believe that's what led to the death of a 64-year-old woman in Portland's Piedmont neighborhood last month. They say portable space heaters should always be plugged directly into a wall outlet. The Oregon State Fire Marshal says December through February is the busiest time for heater-related fires, so now is the time to take precautions. In Southwest Portland, Libby Dowsett, KGW News.